Recovering from being sick and missing a huge part of my dream vacation, what else could go wrong? I woke up with my text messages going crazy on my phone. Other than being sick for the past 3 days, the vacation was fun and quiet, and definitely no texts from home. Not today. And after a few phone calls and putting all the pieces together, I found out that I was just laid off. In the middle of the beautiful South Pacific, I found out that I had no job. AI didn't have that on my bingo card. My survival instinct kicked in, and what needed to be done this time was a quick pivot. Before the trip, I'd been writing scripts and a business plan for when I eventually retired. Eventually, it just became in 2 weeks. The good news? I already had momentum. I had scripts for the first couple of months of videos, so I mapped out the rest of the year. Then I started turning ideas into plans. This was the hardest pivot of my life, and I needed a lot of help. So I leaned on AI because technology is what I know. And AI got me through this trip so far. Hopefully it can get me through this crisis. AI became my daily collaborator, actually, multiple collaborators. I treated different AI tools like specialists on my advisory board. ChatGPT handled the creative brainstorming and helped organize my thoughts. When I needed reality checks and deeper analysis, Claude stepped in. Gemini brought fresh perspectives on content strategy. The next 5 days at sea were quiet in the best way. I treated the ship like an office with a view. And by the time we reached Hawaii, I had a roadmap for the channel and the business. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. ChatGPT kept pushing bargain tools for now, with promises I could switch later. Some tools it recommended wasted my time. One even ended up on my never mention again list. Back home, I swapped the ocean view for a home office view. Lots of paperwork, script rewriting, and website work. Not glamorous, but necessary. Did it mess up my trip? Parts of it, yes. But it also saved me hours of research, helped me test ideas quickly, and became a surprisingly good advisor. Most importantly, it helped me pivot in the middle of the South Pacific into a clear next chapter. This was a really difficult story to tell because it only happened a little over 3 months ago, and I guess I never really processed everything that happened and how quickly my life changed. Did AI ruin my once-in-a-lifetime vacation? Absolutely not. But AI did help me pivot fast when life handed me a plot twist, and that pivot is the reason this channel exists. And yes, I'm still cruising. If you're watching this on release day, I'm on the maiden voyage of Star of the Seas, the world's newest cruise ship, having a little celebration of my own. I'll tell that story in the next video.